Hello everybody, welcome to the Handpan School. Today I want to show you a very easy waltzer on the Aegean 20. So let us check out the waltzer. Okay, let us check out the first two chords. We have here the D3 with the C#5. Then we have the A3 with the D5. So we play the first chord once and the second chord twice. So it sounds like. Okay, now let us check out the next two chords. And then we have the F#3 with the C#5. And then we have the C#4 with the A4. And the same thing, we play the first chord once and the second chord twice. So this will sound like that. So everything together, we have something like that. So now let us continue with the I3 together with the A4. Then we move with our right hand to the B4. And then we play the D5 together with the I4. So this will sound like that. So, and we play this part 4 times, and then we can start from the beginning. So now let us play it together slowly. Now let us check out the second part. We have the D3 together with the I5. This is our first chord. Then we have the second chord. This is the F#5 together with the F#3. And we play this chord twice. So it's like. So then we stay on this chord, on the F#5 and F#3 chord. We play just this chord once and move to the next chord, and we play the next chord twice. So the next chord is the G#5 together with the C#4. So it's then. So then we have. So now we change this chord a little bit. We stay on the G#5, but with our left hand we have now the I3, and we play it together. And we play this chord just once and move to the next chord, and the next chord is again twice. And then with the A5 together with the G#3. And we play this chord twice, so it's. So together it will sound like that. And we play this last part 4 times. So now let us play the whole song together. So yeah, this was the waltzer on the Aegean, and hopefully you like this tutorial and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.